What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple payment options on System.io. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in System.io. Then you will be directed to the landing page of System.io. So if you are new here, just simply sign up with your email and password. But if you already have an account, simply log in with that account and then you will be able to access the dashboard of Steam. Now from here, after coming here on the right side, you will see the profile icon. Over to the icon and then click on settings. Now after coming to settings, on the left side, you can see the payment gateways. Click on it and then you will see multiple payment gateways. For example, if you want to add your Stripe account, you want to add your Razorpay account. Let's say we will add the Stripe account, click on connect, and after clicking on connect, it will redirect me to connect my Stripe account with Steam.io. I will just simply hit next, and after that, just simply add all your details and the verification code that has been sent to you. And after that, you can connect your Stripe account to the System.io. Similarly, if you want to connect your PayPal account, just enter your PayPal account username, password, and signature. I don't have a PayPal account, so I can't fill out these details. So if you have a PayPal account and you want to connect it, simply type in all the details and then you will see the connection of PayPal and System.io. But if you want to add cash on delivery, click on connect on cash on delivery and then you just write the customer instructions who are choosing cash on delivery according to your requirements. And when you are done, just simply hit save and then it will save all your instructions. And then after that, whoever chooses the cash on delivery option, they can read all the instructions and then order accordingly. So this is how you can add multiple payment options on System.io. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.